If you run a small business, you are probably overpaying somewhere. And one of the most common spots is branded merch, client gifts, team swag, custom packaging, anything with your logo on it. The quotes come back 2 to 3 times, sometimes 5 times what you expected. Local printers cost a fortune. Big name swag sites lock you into huge minimums. And the cheaper alternatives, you don't know who you're actually buying from. I went through this exact problem for one of my own businesses. And today I'm going to walk you through the system I actually use now. And it saved me a lot of money and probably hundreds of hours. Currently, I run multiple businesses, and one of them is a real estate operation in the Maryland, DC area. Closing gifts matter in real estate. They're the last impression a client has of you before they tell their network who their agent was. So the gift has to feel premium. It has to be customized, and the math has to work when you're doing 20, 30, sometimes 50 closings a year. The way I source these now is through Alibaba.com, specifically their new AI tools. Now, before this, my process looks something like this. I'd find a closing gift that I liked. Let's say a custom engraved cutting board on or some small batch swag site. The price would land somewhere around $60 to $80 per unit. Times 30 closings, that's over $2,000 a year just on cutting boards. Then I try to go direct to a manufacturer to bring the cost down. I land on some random sourcing site. No clue who the supplier was. No clue if they'd actually deliver. No clue if my logo would come out right on the final product. And half the time, the minimum order quantity was something like 500 units. I don't need 500 cutting boards. I need 30 branded on time. That's the trap most small business owners fall into. You either overpay on retail price gifts or you take on supply chain risk you have no business taking on as a single person operation. Here's where Alibaba.com fits in. It's one of the world's leading business to business e-commerce platforms. Over 200,000 verified sellers across 200 plus countries and regions, serving more than 50 million active buyers globally. The scale matters. The deeper the supplier base, the more options you have for minimum order quantities, factory level prices, and customization. But the scale also used to be the problem. How do you find the right verified supplier for a specific product at your specific volume without burning a week of your life? That's exactly the question their new AI tools answer. This is Alibaba.com's AI mode. It's a one-stop AI-powered sourcing assistant. Think of it like having a procurement researcher on staff who works at AI speed. Here's what I typed. Find verified supplier for custom engraved bamboo cutting board with a minimum order quantity under 50 that ships to the US. Watch what happens. It pulls back verified manufacturers. These are suppliers who've been vetted by the platform, not random listings. I can compare them across specs. That's materials, dimensions, customization options, shipping timelines, all side by side. No more flipping between 12 browser tabs trying to compare quotes. Now, here's the part that genuinely cuts hours off my week. AI mode can draft the inquiry email to the supplier for me. So instead of writing, "Hi, I'm interested in your product. Can you send me details?" For the 10th time today, it generates a clear, specific inquiry that I can review, edit, and then send myself. Important to note, it drafts the email. You still send it, but going from blank page to ready to send in seconds is the real time saver. That's the one-stop service angle they talk about. It's not just sourcing, it's everything around sourcing. I can also upload an image. If I see a closing gift I like somewhere, a cutting board on a competitor's social, a tumbler in a magazine, I can drop the image into the AI model and it'll find verified suppliers who can produce something similar with my branding. That's a real change for anyone who builds product ideas from inspiration. This brings me to the second tool, Alibaba Lens. This one specifically changed how I think about sourcing. Here's how it works. Let's say I'm browsing online and I find a custom cutting board listed at $65 with a 4-week turnaround. Most people see that price, accept it, and check out. With Alibaba Lens, I screenshot the product, open the app, and let the lens do a multi-model AI search. Now, what I get back is a list of verified suppliers who can produce that same style of product, same wood, same engraving capability, same general design with customization built in, often at factory level prices. The gap between retail and factory direct is usually significant, and the gap is your margin. This isn't just for cutting boards, tumblers, leather goods, custom hats, branded packaging. Anything visual, you can source this way. Discover product matches from verified suppliers that support customization. That's the actual pitch, and it holds up when you use it. Now, let me give you the practical number that matter for a small business owner. Low minimum order quantities. That's the big one. I can run a small batch of 30 to 50 units for a closing gift drop without committing to a warehouse full of inventory I'll never move. I can order a sample of the exact product, brand it with my logo, and hold it in my hand before I commit to a real order. That alone is worth the platform. 7-day fast dispatch on some ready to ship products within on-time delivery guaranteed. So when I have a closing date locked in, I can plan around it. 24/7 customer service, money back guarantee, easy, customizable orders across pretty much every supplier in the verified network. That's the kind of risk reduction that makes sourcing actually viable for a small operation. This isn't just real estate closing gifts. The exact same system applies if you're running an e-commerce store, building inventory for a side hustle, or sourcing for a corporate gifting program, even stocking products for resale. 200,000 plus verified suppliers, 50 million active buyers, 200 plus countries. At some point, somebody is sourcing exactly what you need. And now AI mode and Alibaba Lens make it findable. The tagline they use is spend less, sell more. That's business. After actually using the platform on my own sourcing problem, that one lands honest. And if you want to try this yourself, all the links are in the description. The Alibaba.com website and the app for iOS and Android. Run your own sourcing problem through it. See what comes back. I'd genuinely be curious to hear what you source in the comment. And if this kind of small business operator content is useful to you, hit the subscribe button. I'll do more of it. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.